What are we doing? Losing on this journey? What are we saying? Making excuses? No, tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Good morning, gingerbread and jelly bean. My face, as you can see, it's the morning now, AM. 9 o'clock to be 9:15 to be exact. So I'm up right now, about to get the car fixed because it's been making some shuffling sound in the front end. I guess the bearing's gone and the gasket and a whole lot of things because the car is old already. So we're going to get that checked out. So just journey with me. If I find anything interesting throughout the day, I'll let you guys see. But right now, I'm standing in front of the backyard. So take a look at the backyard. Yep, so that's the backyard. So journey with me. Soon come.
Expecting heaven, I'm old, jumped old, not stuck to the cheat code. I'm here, oh yeah, I promise I ain't going nowhere. Okay, here, like a hair, like a rabbit, I like carrots. I'm allergic to having bunny eggs, like broke, like nope, like huh, I ain't.
Hey peeps, I'm back. I'm home now. Left the car at the mechanic shop to get it sorted out. So when it finish, they're going to call me and just ride my bicycle, go up there. Well, I don't know how I'm going to get by the bicycle to come back down after my ride go up there. But that's something I have to go and figure out. Oh yeah, but so far, so good. They're going alright so far. So right now, I'm going to get some rest and then catch you guys later. Have so car to fix, then sleep, then tennis. I think that's about it. So there's 3 things for the day until school start back. So yeah, I think it's the eve of New Year's Eve today. I just get that from DeAndre on Snapchat, but it sounds cool. But yeah, but I'm watching this right now. The music, the sound you hear in the background is this. I don't remember the name of it, but it's a long time movie. There you go. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So you know what, I'm going to get some rest and link you guys later. So it's evening now, almost night time. As you can see in my back, we have 2 swords. Those are my rackets. So I'm going to tennis right now. It's the end of the day pretty much. 11 minutes after 5. Oh, you like my haircut? Ooh, check it out, check it out, check it out. Well smooth. Well smooth. Oh my, watch it line up, watch it sharp like a razor. Hey, watch it smile, watch your big nose. Alright. See, you have to get the eye. You have to get the eyebrow done in here. See me say you look handsome again. You understand? So yeah, tennis right now and then that's it for the day. So it wasn't anything exciting at all. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add another day or 2 more days to this where it probably get exciting, and I just make, you know, a complete vlog with that. But right now, I'm going to hit the tennis court. Remember to add me on Snapchat. See you later.
What are we doing? Losing on this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no.